Okay, so we're on the part 2 of the presentation, and then let's see what we have here. We spoke about this before now. We had a buy trade here for last week, and we hopped up here for the Euro card. And now we want to see some expansion coming into play, okay, which we have started to see some sort. So we want to see this make one more drop to the downside here. Then we can then rally it back, okay, to breaking that structure. Okay, we spoke about this before, that if it takes 146 bars, okay, to make that impulse, at least it's gonna take another probably 146 bars. So we have it here around this zone. So let's look at the date, which we expect this to leave the environment. Wow, that could take us to the end of the month. Okay, so we could also have drop down the end of the month before Euro card would then look to leave the environment. All right, that's cool. We'll not be taking any trade here for now till during that period. Okay, it was 28, 29. Okay. Okay, the Euro JPY continues to make drop, okay, which is lovely. And we spoke about in our part 1 that that could also come into play as there's no reaction here. We waited yesterday to see some reactions there with the Euro JPY, but today I think the Euro NZD can still further make rises to the upside. But definitely you want to see it close on a daily bullish, okay? Because I'm expecting that this will close as an indecision candle here. Just make all this rise, then come back down, close as an indecision candle. So this is not a confirmation of reversal of some sort from a daily perspective. And I cannot be taking this trade. Okay, only for a scalping, or what would have been scalp trade. Okay, buy here, hop off here, 135, that would be cool. Wow. Right, for scalping mode. Okay, so I cannot take in this trade. Okay, here we're really late into the trade. You can have a drop next rally, so we don't know what we're gonna be doing. You don't want to be taking such trades. Euro CHF also could bounce, still stay in that environment for the remainder of the week. Guys, it could do that. It could range of some sort here. This range of some sort here. All right. GP Art right from Monday started that impulse, but struggling. All right, struggling to make great rise, but definitely it's rising. Okay, Euro Art dropping with the Euro. GPNZD. Okay, we had this short range Monday, breakout, retest, and a continuation. So we can expect continuations to come into the market to around maybe this structure, 1.9534. That'll be core area. $1.95, that'll be core area. Okay, let's look at picks. 173 picks. Weekly ATR, 359 picks. So that'll be cool. That'll be cool, guys. That'll be cool. All right. Look at some sentiments. What did Powell say yesterday that will stir the market so very badly? Okay, it's all been there right from time. It's all been there from time. Okay, Powell just ignited it. Okay, just brought it to life. NZD JPY made this drop. Okay, here. I don't think it's a very good time to look for buying opportunities here. No. Not a good time. You know, cannot be looking for a buy opportunity. Just leave it the way it is. JPY strength, JPY strength came in. I don't know if you thought for the whole of here, you know, appointment of the new prime minister. I think we could have further drops to testing the structure here. So we just go relaxed. Okay, we just go relaxed on everything. Okay, you want to train us into trying to understand what the market is doing or you know react. Okay, we just leave it the way it is. Okay, and just allow the market do its thing. Okay, market do its thing. Monthly ATR 154 pips, and we just have this huge 150 pips down here, which is exhaustion for a monthly perspective, and we just look for that time to down see JPY weakness coming back into the market, and that would be cool for us to see. Just leave it the way it is. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I do. All right, ADCHF. Got in a very good trade. Sure. So if it will contract, which I'm not looking at that possibility because the CHF have stopped being a safe haven asset. Okay, right from March, it goes up with the AUD and NZD, goes down with it. So safe haven assets, JPY and USD. Okay, but JPY looks more like a safe haven asset than USD. Okay, so this could actually continue. So I'll seek upon holding the trade because I don't have any reasons to believe that the trade will then truncate breaking this point. I expect it to continue to the upside. All right, so it's gonna be slow, but I just want to keep on holding it. AD card, I don't want to be holding it again. Hit my take profit. I'm out of the market. I'm not gonna do anything like that. All right. And AD and ZD, a lot of times people ask me, what do you think of the pay? I don't think this is in for any sort of reversal. It's just going to keep on going up. You know, support here, bounce off, you know, keep on going up. It's going to close on a bullish setup this week. All right. Monthly perspective, no indication. So if you have a failed rally from that low, we could then have price coming to test this zone and then continue testing this high. I don't think this is going down. So look for opportunities to only buy the AUD and ZD. It could make some cool tremendous rise here, even up to breaking this previous high here. Back 2016 could do that. Or testing the 2015 high. 2017 high, 2017 high could also test it. So huge possibility, guys. This is not the kind of candles I want to see. Not the kind of candles I want to see for daily confirmation. Okay, I will not be taking a trade off this point in my own analysis. I'll not be taking a trade off this point. All right, so that'll be all. Look at some metals and all. What I think of gold. What I think of gold. This candle here, right from here, actually rode gold. It was really awesome. It was really, really awesome. This expansion. A lot of times, most traders just look for opportunity to take a counter trade. Counter trade is not good unless you have a reason to do so. Okay? So when I saw this in the market, I now hopped in the trade around this zone on a Monday, 181.5, and I hopped it up to 2,000. That was 3 weeks of holding that trade, and I captured that massive 1,960 pips, and that was awesome. And I hopped up the market, but still, it still went far up a little bit, right, before, dropping this. So I expect more sideways movement for unless we can break above this. So definitely these are zone 1, 2. We need to see price break before we can then look for continuation. But until that, I think huge possibility for a drop to test this low. This is not good enough. Down, contract here, and the breakout. Wrong. No, it's not going to happen. So probably I'm going to expect contraction here, mini expansion, failed rally, new demand, rally again. You know, I a lot of times speak to students about this, about how the market moves. Okay, markdown, contraction here, support here. All right, this will not hold price. I expect a failed rally here. One more drop into testing the new lows before down the next rally. So we need to shop the market. I basically don't want to be taking this kind of trade because they're crazy trades. You know, it's not ready, you know, to do anything. Okay. Okay. Let's see, what have we? I spoke about this many times that crude oil will not really go back to glory days. I'm looking at crude oil trading between 37 to 50 range mark. I spoke about this a long time ago. Just this small $134 defense mark. I don't really think it's gonna go up to glory days again. I think it's whatever is out in the market. So CAD is gonna definitely suffer the whole shed in the market. Okay, it's not really a fault, but you just need to plug in and play. CAD is going to suffer everything in the market in terms of because it's a commodity pay and it's crude motivated, so CAD is going to have to be at the receiving end of all those shares in the market. Okay, so for this week we've seen price bounce up the 37 mark and okay, trying to flex around the $39 mark. I don't think well, I don't know. But what I do know is we're not expecting glory days for crude oil anymore. You know, it's gone, it's dead. Okay, no glory days again. Just expect some sideways movement and then that will continue for quite some time. You know, you just need to understand this. Okay. All right. So we'll just you know, just leave it there. Stupid RSI, price going up, RSI coming down. Are you crazy? What's that? What's that? RSI coming down from this point, price going up, drop, but here was rallying. But look at here, guys. Price going up. It's crazy. You know, if you trade with RSI, you're gonna be in deep shit. You know, deep shit. They're all lag indicators. Lagging, you know, those following price all around the place. They have positions on their own, just making stupid judgments for you. And you know, wow, silver has really made a fortune for itself. You know, really made a name. Wow, that's cool. That's cool. Silver. That's cool for silver. What? All this space, you know, stuff loaded out. Um, I don't know. Just have this call. Okay, anything is possible. Market, I don't know. All right, so let's wrap it up there. Okay, let's wrap it up there. Let's just go to look at what the you know, other things are doing in the market generally. All right. Let's talk about it that until this remains invalid, USD has potential of going up. Okay, but I want to see price competence is done, then I might go back. I don't think bonds should be going up much. Okay, it depends in the market, but this has not failed yet, so we want to see a failed rally, some sort, failed rally, some sort. That way, we're gonna start shorting the USD. All right, guys, that'll be all for today. Remain blessed. May your food be above average, and also remember that previous developments in Nigeria future results trade in the shadow of the smart money, and do it right. Okay, I love you all. I appreciate your time here. Peace out. Love you.